What's up, everyone? This is your boy Jason over here at Baller Wealth Network. You know how we do, just trying to help you guys not waste your time or money getting roped along these get rich quick schemes, and also give you an inside look in the form of different user reviews at any type of software out there related to affiliate marketing or automated email or anything like that that you would need to start an online business. So, right now, we're reviewing Active Trail. I signed up for them a couple of days ago just to try to see what kind of problems I would encounter. And this video will give you an inside look so that you know what you can anticipate. So right here, I'm at activetrail.com and you can see that it says marketing automation made easy. They apparently have some type of different rewards, which is cool, you know. They have a free trial that you can just sign up for. But what I'm interested in more than the free trial is actually the pricing as well. I like the benefit of the free trial simply because it gives me an opportunity to try the software out without having to waste any of my money out of pocket. But for me, I still want to know what the prices are because if I do decide to use it, then I know how much it is and I don't have to waste my time. I might as well just find someone that I could use or a company service I could use that I'm going to stay with, right? Rather than going through this whole process and being like, oh, never mind, I'm going to go do this all again somewhere else. So if you were to click the prices, this is what you're going to see. It looks like they have a way that they can help you to save money. They want to know how many contacts that you were trying to sign up. Um, and then let's see what happens when you sign it up. So when you, the more, it looks like the more that your people that you're signing up, then you can save 15%. That's something that you would want to consider. But my thing that I want the most is I just want to be able to send unlimited emails. I like the fact that they actually have landing page templates and things like that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll down slowly, and that way you guys could, if you want, you could review all of the extra features and benefits. You could also visit the website as well, but that's not my intent right now. I don't want to waste your guys' time. So but this is the pricing structure. I went ahead and just, I kept it simple. So I just did the plus plan right here and, you know, it's free for 30 days anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And I've already signed up. It's pretty straightforward, the sign up process. You just enter all your information. But the most important thing is though, if you guys were to go through it just to show you, like say if you clicked free trial, the most important thing to note that's extremely important is your email address. So right here, they didn't tell me this, so I just used my Gmail email address. But after I signed up, they were like educating me about the way that the laws work, and there's strict anti-spam laws that prevent people from sending out mass emails to strangers. And so one way that they protect people from being spammed is they will automatically start flagging um, mass emails that get sent from Gmail accounts. And that means that if you're using a Gmail account and you sign up, that when your email gets sent out en masse, there's a high chance that the people that you're sending it to will never receive it. So that's a complete waste of time. So make sure that when you sign up, you use a professional email address. So for example, if I was the owner of activetrail.com, it would be my name at activetrail.com. So it would be Jason at activetrail.com. Then after that, I just entered my password, first, last name, company I represent, phone number, estimated number of contacts, accept the terms. I don't want spam emails from you guys. And then I will just open my free trial account. So once you open your free trial account, it should be pretty straightforward. But there is definitely a chance that your account, wait a minute, I think this is it. Here it is. Your account could go under review, and there's a high chance that it will. And it's simply because of the spam laws that I was talking about earlier. They want to make sure that you have a legitimate source of emails that you're sending out your services to. You know, um, the problem that I have is that my account is under review, and I can't really go forward with this entire process of creating an email template and everything like that. And it's kind of a waste of time anyways because I don't even know if they're going to qualify me or not. And the most important thing you guys can do to get qualified is just make sure that you're getting your leads from your own landing page because they will ask you to provide that kind of information. So if you go to review my account, they're going to say, what is the source of your contact list? And just to go up and read this because this is important, it says, in order to provide optimal deliverability, ActiveTrail needs to manually review some of its user accounts from time to time. During the short review process, the account remains fully functional, allows you to build landing pages, design pages, import contacts. However, you will not be able to send emails or publish landing pages until we finish the review process. Okay, that's great. So I'm going to go through all this work, doing all this stuff, and you guys will be like, you're not qualified. That doesn't make any sense. But that's what you guys are asking of me. So what you do is you just tell them who your contact list is. Did they authorize you to send it? Absolutely, they did. The URL that you provide is extremely important, and it has to be your own physical landing page. So if it's not, then that could be a problem that prevents you from moving forward. And the last step is design a campaign that you wish to save or send and save it. So those are all the things that you have to do before you can click ready for review. So here we are. Here's the template that I was working with. I chose a blank template, you know. But let me go back a couple pages for you guys really quick so you could see the template and the process from the beginning. So this is the page that you're going to be at, okay? And what you do is you just choose create email. They have the different types of emails that you can use, which is definitely a benefit. I think I really like this one the most, the A/B split email, because it gives me the option to send two different emails simultaneously and test the results to figure out which one is more efficient. They have the on event email. It's just the email for a particular date in the future. And then this is the triggered email for new subscribers. So I like all of that. That's those are all definitely services that I could use. But in this case, I'm going to just use the regular email to just, get this process completed so that I could actually submit everything in order to be able to get my account qualified or not. Um, but I'm not going to take it serious and do everything like I would do if I was by myself. I'll just put some random stuff in here because I've already went through this process multiple times and I just want you guys to see what happens so that you don't waste your time. So subject, what's good? Uh, you could even use it with Google Analytics, which is really great. Okay, so I'm just gonna click next. So right here on this page, they're gonna have all kinds of different templates, which I think is really, really awesome to streamline. You know, there's some that are locked, but to just streamline your approach to getting your email message out as fast as possible. So you can see all of them. I've already tried using these templates, but the formatting isn't as counterintuitive as I would hope it to be. So I'm just going to use a blank template just to help you guys understand what you may encounter as a problem. So here we are. We have a blank template. The first thing that I'd want to do is load a header. Um, I I thought it would be simple like drag and drop, but it's not. Um, they just have a couple of different spaces for me to work with. So the first thing that I would do is upload my header. I have it right here. And then after I upload it, though, the problem that I have is that everything is ridiculously skewed. And then if I actually try to change the formatting options, it doesn't work. And that was actually the problem that I had with the preloaded templates. I assumed that there was some type of code in the HTML that restricted the changes. So if I'm using a blank template, it's safe to assume that I should just be able to come in here and change this to whatever I want, right? There's nothing else there. But whatever the case may be, this is the problem that I've had so far trying to use Active Trail to get set up and start sending out mass emails. Um, and to me, the problem is that it's way too complicated to just even get started with these people. And everything that they want you to do just to get started, there's no guarantee that they're going to even accept you. For me, I just think that that's completely inconsiderate, and I don't really want to waste all of my time going through that process, especially considering the fact that their actual way they have everything set up isn't that counterintuitive, and it's actually really, really difficult to use. So for me to just give them a review, I'd probably say maybe 2 out of 5 stars. Maybe I would change that if these problems that I'm encountering are easier. But right now, I'm not really feeling inclined to want to go forward with them. And another thing that would help me is if when I was going through clicking this stuff, is if some type of pop up was like, instead of just being an X, how about when I click it, it tells me the reason why there's a problem and then tells me to go do this to change it. You know what I'm saying? That's counterintuitive and that's user friendly. This is not. So for me, I'm kind of just on the fence anyways, and I don't even know if I want to go forward. And so I'm just going to end the video like that. And if I decide that I'm going to move forward with Active Trail, then what I'll do is I'll make a follow-up video to this one. But in the meantime, I just want to say thank you guys very much for your time. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, feel free to reach out to me. Just send me an email, ballerwealthnetwork@gmail.com, or just put a message in the notes or, comments below. But other than that, I hope this video helped you guys a lot. And I just want everyone to have a blessed day. Thanks.